Hi guys, welcome back to the channel. Today we're giving you a tour of Porus. Now, Porus is or was a very busy town along the main road between Kingston and Westmoreland. It was a major spot on the main road. But, well, let's be more specific. It's located in Mandeville. Porus is in Mandeville, so when you're going from Maypen to Mandeville, it was a major stop along the road. The town is on the main road. And the highway opened. So you can now drive from Maypen to Mandeville on the highway. And when the highway opened a few years ago, it was free. That highway was free for a couple of years because of some issues to do with the toll. So because you could drive from Maypen to Mandeville for free, everybody went on the highway. It was a first world road, 4 lanes, dual carriageway, compared to this narrow road with potholes, and they don't even have white lines, as you can see. So that one was a no-brainer. Everybody used the highway. So Porus and all the areas between, or the districts or towns between Maypen and Mandeville, they saw a significant downfall in the traffic because everybody was using the highway. But recently, the highway started to charge toll, and it's a very expensive toll between Maypen and Mandeville. For a Class 1 vehicle, you're looking at almost $500. So as a result of that, some traffic returned to this road and helped the areas such as Porus and what's that other area where you have the juicy patties? Porus and okay, the name just slipped me, but guys, what's the name of that area where you have Murray's and juicy patties? Leave a comment in the section below. So those areas started to see some sort of pickup in traffic. Now, as you can see, it definitely has not returned to the pre-highway levels, but definitely more traffic than what was using the road before they started to charge a toll. So guys, let us know what you think. Leave your comments in the section below. Alright guys, this is the actual town of Porus now. It's just starting to recover. As you can see, the recovery is very slow because back before the highway was open, this road would be busy. Cars parked on the road, a lot of activity taking place. But as we said, there's more traffic today than before they started to charge tolls. So maybe it just needs some more time. I'm not sure. Maybe they should have put an exit to the highway for Porus. Not sure. Guys, let us know what you think. Leave your comments in the section below. Alright guys, enjoy the tour. Have a good day.